Welcome to Cloud Meadow. Thea Marie landed softly on a fluffy pastel-colored cloud, her heart racing with wonder. It felt like stepping onto the world's largest marshmallow, the soft texture cradling her feet as she took her first tentative steps. Above her, the sky radiated a cerulean blue, peppered with iridescent wisps of cotton candy clouds that danced playfully in the warm sunlight. Each breath she took was sweetened by the enticing scent of spun sugar, tickling her senses and sending her into a fit of giggles. Nearby, whimsical cloud creatures bounced and played, their fluffy forms shimmering in hues of pink, lavender, and baby blue. Each one had large, sparkling eyes that twinkled with mischief, and they emitted bursts of cheerful laughter that echoed across the meadow. The sight was so enchanting that Thea Marie could hardly believe it was real. She twirled, her colorful pajamas fluttering around her, and her curly chestnut hair bounced as she laughed, feeling joy bubble up from within her. As her excitement settled, she noticed a glowing figure approaching her. It hovered gracefully above the ground, illuminated by a soft golden light that shifted as it moved. The figure had shimmering wings that sparkled like stars scattered across a night sky. Thea Marie's breath caught in her throat as she realized she was looking at her dream guide. "Welcome, Thea Marie," Luma greeted, their voice a melodic chime that resonated with warmth. "I am Luma, your dream guide. I'm so glad to see you here in Cloud Meadow." "Luma," Thea Marie exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. "You're beautiful. Is this really Dreamland?" "Yes, this is Dreamland," Luma replied, their wings fluttering as they floated closer. "This place is shaped by the dreams and feelings of children like you. It is a land of imagination and possibility. Here, your heart fuels the magic." Thea Marie's heart raced at Luma's words. "But what if I can't imagine anything?" she asked, a hint of uncertainty creeping into her voice. Luma smiled gently, their presence radiating reassurance. "Imagination is like a flower, Thea Marie. It grows with love and care. Let us explore together, and you will discover the wonders that lie within you." As Luma gestured, Thea Marie noticed a cloud that looked like a trampoline, its surface bouncy and inviting. Luma floated toward it, their wings casting colorful reflections on the soft cloud. "Why don't you try creating something joyful? Close your eyes and think of something that makes you happy." Thea Marie hesitated for a moment, glancing around at the vibrant world. She shut her eyes tightly, recalling the rainbow slide she had imagined in her dreams. It had been the most exhilarating ride, spiraling through colors and laughter. "A rainbow slide," she whispered, focusing all her energy on the thought. When she opened her eyes, gasping in disbelief, a magnificent rainbow slide had materialized before her, arching high into the sky, colors shimmering like liquid jewels. Luma clapped their hands, joy radiating from them. "Well done, Thea Marie. You've created magic." With a rush of exhilaration, Thea Marie dashed toward the slide, a whirlwind of colors beckoning her. Luma followed closely, their laughter mingling with hers as they climbed to the top. "Ready?" Luma asked, their eyes sparkling with delight. "Ready!" Thea Marie shouted, her heart pounding with excitement. They launched themselves down the slide, the world around them blurring into a kaleidoscope of color and sound. Laughter bubbled up from Thea Marie's lips as they spiraled down, the wind whooshing past her. They landed in a sparkling river of laughter, the water bubbling and flowing with a joyous melody that seemed to sing with every splash. "Welcome to the River of Laughter," Luma announced, floating effortlessly above the shimmering water. "This is a special place where joy flows, and it can lift your spirits when you feel down." Thea Marie splashed playfully, feeling the warmth of happiness envelop her. "It's amazing. Can we come here anytime?" "Whenever you wish," Luma replied, their wings casting soft rainbows on the surface of the water. "But there's so much more to explore, Thea Marie. Let's meet some friends." Just beyond the river, a soft patch of clouds stretched out, dotted with colorful, fluffy creatures hopping around in delight. Thea Marie's eyes widened as she spotted them, a group of small cloud friends, their vibrant colors swirling together like a living painting. They bounced joyfully, their laughter ringing like the tinkling of bells. "Hello, hello," one of the cloud friends called out, a bright blue creature with a fluffy tuft of pink on its head. "Who's this? A new friend?" "This is Thea Marie," Luma introduced, floating down to join them. "She's exploring Dreamland with us." The cloud friends gathered around Thea Marie, their eyes sparkling with curiosity. "Do you want to play Cloud Hop?" Another chimed in, bouncing enthusiastically. "What's Cloud Hop?" Thea Marie asked, her heart racing at the thought of joining in. "It's a game where we bounce from cloud to cloud and catch fluffy balls of dream magic," the blue cloud friend explained, its excitement contagious. "It's super fun, come on." Thea Marie hesitated, glancing at Luma, who nodded encouragingly. "You can do it, Thea Marie. Just follow your heart." Taking a deep breath, Thea Marie joined the cloud friends, her initial shyness giving way to excitement. They bounced from cloud to cloud, laughter ringing out as they leaped into the air, reaching for the fluffy balls that floated like cotton candy clouds. With every bounce, Thea Marie felt her confidence grow, her laughter blending with that of her new friends. "Look at me," she shouted, leaping higher than she ever had before. The world was a blur of color and joy, and she felt free. After a while, they collapsed onto a soft cloud, breathless and giggling. Luma floated down beside them, a soft smile on their glowing face. You did wonderfully, Thea Marie. You embraced your imagination and made new friends. Thea Marie beamed, her heart swelling with happiness. I had so much fun, but what if I can't always feel happy here? Luma's expression softened, and they looked at the cloud friends, who nodded in understanding. In Dreamland, your feelings shape the world around you. Happiness brings color and light, while fear can cast shadows. It's important to understand that all feelings are valid. But how do I turn my worries into something beautiful? Thea Marie asked, her brow furrowing. Let's talk about it, Luma suggested, guiding everyone to form a cozy circle on the cloud. Every feeling can be transformed. When you feel worried or afraid, you can channel that energy into creativity. Remember, you are not alone. Your friends are here to help you. The cloud friends shared their own experiences, each story more colorful than the last. One little creature, a soft lavender puff with large eyes, told of how it had once felt lonely but turned that sadness into a beautiful song that brought the clouds together. Another shared how it had faced its fears during a storm, turning the dark clouds into a dazzling display of lightning and rainbows. Thea Marie, Luma said gently, what if we try to transform one of your worries together? Taking a deep breath, Thea Marie thought about her anxiety, the way it sometimes wrapped around her like a heavy blanket. Well, sometimes I feel scared before I sleep, like I might have bad dreams. Luma nodded, their wings shimmering softly. What if you turned that fear into a beautiful dream? Imagine a dream that brings you peace instead. Thea Marie closed her eyes, her heart racing. She envisioned a tranquil meadow filled with glowing flowers that whispered calming melodies. She thought of a soft breeze that carried gentle lullabies and a sky painted in soothing pastel colors. As she opened her eyes, the air shimmered around them, the clouds shifting to reveal a breathtaking scene. The landscape transformed, a serene meadow of glowing flowers surrounding them, each petal shimmering with soft light. The breeze carried the sweetest melodies, wrapping around Thea Marie like a comforting hug. The cloud friends gasped in awe. Look, you made it real, the blue cloud friend exclaimed. It's beautiful. Thea Marie smiled, her heart swelling with pride. I did it! Yes, you did, Luma cheered, their eyes shining with joy. And you've taken your feelings and turned them into something magical. As they sat together in the glowing meadow, Thea Marie felt a sense of belonging wash over her. She realized that in Dreamland she could express herself freely, her imagination becoming a bridge to connect with her feelings and others. Luma smiled at her, sensing the shift within. There are many adventures ahead, Thea Marie. Together, we will explore the wonders of Dreamland. But for now, let's enjoy this moment. Thea Marie glanced around at her friends, feeling the warmth of their laughter and the beauty of the meadow. Thank you, Luma. I can't wait to see what comes next. As they shared stories and laughter, Thea Marie caught sight of a flicker of light on the horizon, a glimmering path leading into the depths of the star forest. Mystery and adventure awaited just beyond the meadow, and she felt a thrill of excitement course through her. Where does that lead? She asked, pointing to the light. Luma looked toward the horizon, their wings shimmering. Ah, that is a path to the star forest, a place filled with dreams and wonders. Are you ready for another adventure? Thea Marie nodded eagerly, her heart swelling with anticipation. Yes, let's go! Hand in hand with Luma, surrounded by the cloud friends, she took her first step toward the flickering light, her spirit soaring high like the clouds above. Dreamland was a canvas of her imagination, and she was ready to paint her journey with colors of joy, friendship, and endless possibilities.